Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at Hatch's lineup of baby and child sleep machines. By watching this video, you'll get a feel for each of the three models, their features, and our candid opinion on what's the best value. The Hatch Rest Plus sleep machine is the model we personally own and have used for years with both our kids, so we have a lot of experience about how it works and the pros and cons. You should know that we don't have any affiliation with this company and aren't paid to endorse Hatch products. We will add affiliate links to products we mention in this video, sold through Amazon, to make it easy to find the products for sale. First, here are 5 things to think about when shopping for sleep machines. Number 1, app or device. Can you get by using just a smartphone app or smart speaker skill instead of buying a machine? Probably, if you really want to. But instead of tying up a phone or device or risking that a smart skill disconnects overnight, chances are the standalone machine is worth the relatively small cost, especially if you're using an app that requires a paid subscription to unlock the best features. Number 2, versatility. A big selling point for us is the ability to use the devices throughout different phases as your child grows, from newborn, where it starts as a white noise machine, to the toddler and child years. More on that later. Number 3, smart or less smart. Are you okay settling with a basic white noise machine that literally spins fans to generate noise? Or one that has more features, like clocks and nightlights? Speaking of features, number 4 is smart and remote features. Yes, there's a good Hatch app, but really the big win is to be able to operate the device remotely from another room or another location entirely if you really want to. Number 5, perceptions. There are mixed opinions on whether, as parents and caregivers, you should set up your baby to rely, so to speak, on a sleep aid for rest. My personal opinion is that it's worth it, but you should be aware of this and discuss with your partner to confirm you're on the same page. Let's start with the Rest Mini. With a current suggested retail price of $39.99 US, it's the smallest and most affordable sleep machine in the Hatch lineup. Features include a choice of 8 sleep sounds, access to the Hatch app for remote control, and a timer feature so you can set a specific duration for your sleep sounds. It's hard to see, but yes, there are controls on the sleep machine so you can manually play, stop, skip, or adjust volume directly on the device. One reason to consider this model is if you have a Rest or Rest Plus at home, like the brand, and would like more of a travel-friendly model. Couple things to be aware of though. The Rest Mini has the same circular base dimension as the bigger models, that's 4 inches by 4 inches. Its hockey puck-like design will save you 4.5 inches of suitcase space because the Rest Mini measures 2 inches high. But don't mistake this for a fully portable travel white noise machine that can run off batteries. The Rest Mini needs to be plugged into a wall to work. And keep in mind that if you want to use the app, you'd of course need Wi-Fi access. Overall, I'm a fan of Hatch products for their quality and ease of use. But if I were looking for a portable travel white noise machine, I'd probably consider some alternatives that are truly portable given the cost. One popular model is the Yoga Sleep Hush portable white noise machine, which retails for roughly $15 US less. It's a bit smaller, it is more portable, since it charges via USB. And if I were considering this as our full-time sleep machine, even with the extra cost, I'd probably lean towards the Rest or Rest Plus for their useful added features. That being said, I don't think you could go too wrong with this product. The second sleep machine in the Hatch lineup is the Rest. It retails for $59.99 US, so $20 more than the entry Rest Mini model. If you're a sound aficionado, you'll notice most of the same sounds from the Rest Mini, plus 3 additional here for a total of 11. Interestingly, Heartbeat is missing from the Rest that is available on the Rest Mini, and instead, you get crickets. With the Rest, you also get 3 lullabies, though to be honest, we've never used that setting and typically stick to our go-tos of ocean, wind, or rain. The huge difference when you step up to the Rest is adding that color light on top. In our mind, Upgrading to the Rest is well worth it because it unlocks a world of features. With any baby product, we're always a fan of multitasking products that can replace standalone unitasker things. In this case, the Rest acts as a nightlight. And with the configurable nightlight colors and sleep programs, you can use this to train even pretty young kids. Hatch calls this time to rise, and how this works is you set a specific color and time to signal to your child that it's okay to get up. You can still manually change colors and sounds remotely by using the app. We found this to be a really useful feature. A tip: even before your child is able to fully grasp what this means, it's good practice to begin ingraining the color to sleep schedule. So, for example, if wake-up time for your child is 7 a.m., even if they aren't getting up out of a crib or toddler bed yet, start setting that association when they're a baby. Hatch recommends that you're able to start implementing this right around when your child is 2, which is what we did with both of our children. Now, let's step up to the Rest Plus. It's currently an additional $30 US over the Rest and $50 over the Rest Mini. As mentioned, this is the model we have. So why the Rest Plus over the Rest and the Mini? As you'll see, many of the core features stay the same. You've got the color configurable nightlight, sleep programs, time to rise, and use of the companion Hatch app. But there's no mistaking a Rest Plus for a Rest because it adds a digital clock. Remember our argument around versatility? Well, here's another way to help future-proof your sleep machine, because for older kids, it can also replace a bedside digital clock if you want. The Rest Plus also has hands-free voice control via Amazon Alexa, but we've never used this, frankly. An upgrade feature you might care about is the backup battery. If you experience power loss overnight, the Rest Plus can go for about 8 hours without being plugged in. If you're like us though, this is in case of emergencies only, and we aren't using the Rest Plus as a travel battery-powered sleep machine. I suppose you could, though we haven't tried, and instead use a separate, smaller travel white noise machine. So, which one to buy? If money is the primary factor, I'd shop the Rest Mini against other competitive white noise machines at that price point, particularly if you value small footprint and portability, because as we said, there are many white noise machines at that price that can go cordless and run off batteries. If you're shopping the Rest and Rest Plus, if you're on the fence about which one to choose and can make the Rest Plus cost work with your budget, I'd personally go that route for the clock and battery features, because these make it a bit more versatile, future-proof, and useful in case of power loss. But if $60 is purely your limit, I think you'll have a good experience with the regular Rest too. That's it for this video. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything new. Here's to all you restful parents out there.